guys, it's Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do day in the life with the Apple Watch Ultra. I know this has been a highly requested video. I guess everyone just wants to know how you can use this watch for a normal, non-adventurous lifestyle, really like mine. If you haven't seen the day in the life review videos, you should also check them out because they're pretty cool. So if you are interested, keep on watching and let me just catch you up with what I did in the morning and then carry on with the vlog as normal. Just for reference, my wrist circumference is 15 centimeters and I will be wearing the Ocean Band, which is in one size only. I started my day with some nice breakfast, then pulled up my sleeve, which wasn't that smooth with the bigger Apple Watch, and looked over my emails using the crown to scroll. It's a nice smooth experience. The email content is also nicely laid out and also easy experience to reply if needed. Then I had a look at the weather because it's been really unpredictable at the moment, and also what's expected this week. And as you can see, typical British weather. I got some groceries, and of course I had to take this opportunity to use Apple Pay on the Ultra. The Ocean Band is nice, has a similar feel to the standard rubber Apple Band. But the band is also quite thick. On the bottom, where there's like two layers of the band, it does tend to get slightly sweaty. So what I didn't test out yet is using the 45mm watch bands. I really want to try that, so I think that will be my next step, just to see if the normal 45mm bands are much more of a fit for me. I did some hoovering when I got back and received medication reminder for my vitamins you can set with the iOS 16. But I must say the vibration intensity for alerts is so much stronger, so I think I need to turn it down if there's a setting for this. And I know it's pretty sad, but I am worried about scratching the watch case because I do tend to bang it on random objects sometimes since it's a bit more bulky. And I know that the watch case is durable but not prone to micro scratches that I don't want. So I was receiving notifications throughout cleaning. Everything is also much sharper on the screen. The notifications, you can see them more easily. I have noticed as well, if you do kind of push it against your wrist and then turn it, you will feel like a graze. Making my way to the gym now. I am using Google Maps because I did want to just check it out. I haven't used it on the Ultra yet. You can definitely see the map more, so it is easier to follow the instructions and orientate yourself with the surroundings to not make any wrong turns. Ja idę na siłownię.
A nie wyjedziecie na obiad?
No będę tak za godzinę.
No dobra.
No pa. My action button is set to the workout app. I tend to switch in between that and the torch. Exercising with the watch is not an issue for me in terms of the size and bulkiness, but then again, I am not a gym fanatic, so I don't do anything intensive like lift heavy weights, etc. And also the weight. It did bother me at first because it is something you need to get used to, so it does feel a bit heavy. Sometimes I took the watch off for a couple of days. I like having a break. So after I had a few days off and then put it back on again, it's like, whoa. You already know I had to go into the pool to check out the depth app. I set mine to turn on automatically once the watch is submerged. It was fun to see the current depth and the water temperature. And I found out that the water lock turns on once the watch is submerged, so I do have to hold the digital crown to turn off the water lock after. It turned dark pretty quickly when I was going back home, and it also started raining. So what did I do? I turned on the torch. And I am impressed because I can see everything in front of me pretty good, so I wouldn't trip up anywhere. And looking at someone else's point of view, they would also see the light from a distance. And it's pretty handy to guide you to the lock in the door. To sum up, we are at around 50% battery, which is incredible considering I charged the watch yesterday evening and used it throughout most of today. My activity rings are also looking quite decent, so I'm quite happy, and I'll see you guys in the morning. The screen size is 10 out of 10 experience for me because I'm just so much more comfortable with using the watch instead of my phone. I feel like with the normal watch, like the Series 8, I kind of tended to avoid using my watch for certain activities and just tended to go on my phone. But with the Ultra, it feels more like a phone, that it feels more accessible to do things and just easier to do things. And of course, you don't really need to take your watch off as much as you would with the normal watch because of the battery. The battery is amazing. You can look through photos and it will be such good quality. And sometimes I do watch, I did download this app where you can watch videos just as a little experiment, but not that I will just watch TV on my Ultra watch, but it was quite fun. So there's a lot more like fun things to do on the watch, and you can play games. I know you can do it with all your other Apple Watches, but it just makes it more fun to have that bigger screen, and just it's a different experience. That's what I'm going to say. On a working day, I usually use the basic apps to help with my job, such as the authentication, to log in, or using the calculator. The Wayfinder watch face exclusive to the Ultra is my favorite because there is so much customization you can do within. Overall, you have 8 different shortcuts to choose from, and all of them are so easy to recognize whenever you need to use one of them. These shortcuts were personal to me, but you do have different options within the shortcut space, ranging from battery, cycle tracking, find item, phone, etc. So you can choose the ones most suitable for yourself. We are on to the 3rd day, and look at this, the watch is still alive without the low power mode even switched on yet, and I managed to change to the Alpine loop also. I am surprised at myself that I do like it. It makes me feel much more safer. That it's more of like a more efficient Apple Watch than the normal watches, because they just last longer and I know that it won't break easily. I don't really see the big watch an issue anymore, and I was quite intimidated by the watch size, but now I prefer the practicality over it. So that is everything from me. I think I've wrapped everything up, but I still want to make like loads more videos on the Ultra because I still want to take it, you know, somewhere adventurous and test it out on that side. So if you are also interested in seeing more Apple Watch Ultra videos, don't forget to subscribe. I have made this decision actually to switch to the Ultra from the Series 8 because I wasn't too sure at the start, so that's why I did have the Series 8 unboxing. I am going to sacrifice my tiny little wrist for this watch because it's just, I do enjoy using it, so why not? And I want to make more videos. So what did you guys think of this video? If I have left anything out that you are interested with the watch, do let me know in the comments. And as I said, I am still going to make a lot more videos on the watch, so do let me know your suggestions if you have anything else you want me to try out with the Ultra. And hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.